All right, Luke, what you got?
This is the B&T, and it's got a place in my heart because I'm looking at cans for hunting, right? Mm-hmm. Lightweight means more to me than just about anything, right? Let's see what she measures out at.
Karnak says, no, I'm just kidding. We're going to put it on the scale.
Yes.
Whoo, 11.3 ounces, and that is with a rather heavy-duty hub mount. A lot of the hub mounts are flush. B&T ships with one with nice wrench flats, and 11.3 ounces. I mean, let's see if the rest of it's worth a damn, I suppose.
3D printed titanium.
And it's light, and I'm lazy. I appreciate light.
I knew it was a light can, but that's pretty damn lightweight.
Yeah, it's a low number.
Bare muzzle, and we're going to do 3 shots for an average. Bacon and tomatoes, B&T. I can tell this one is low gas, like legit.
So you ever seen anybody waterboarded?
I'm noticing that the back of his head is even uglier than the front, though.
Now you might notice that I'm facing
my bad.
That would make everyone happier, I'm sure, but I'm facing a different direction because I have some fairly significant ear loss or hearing loss in my right ear, thanks to a small rocket almost exactly 20 years ago, so from the time of filming. And you know, it's been convenient, but Lord help the passenger in my car. So I can't hear anything. So I'm facing this direction, left ear outboard.
And the common theme, of course, is throwing our wives under the bus here. Mm-hmm. Passengers usually, so one might call that a blessing, right?
Yeah, you know, that could happen. That could happen.
All right, here we go. Let's see if you're as good as you think you are. All right, you want to shoot, Ian? I'll bring your rifles.
Sure, I'll shoot. All right, Dave, you ready?
Yep, it's a little tight.
Here we go.
Here we go. All right.
Okay, here we go. Suppressor A. B.
Okay. Just a little bit less after uncorking on B, I think.
A. B.
A.
A?
Yep. And I think say the name before you shoot or after, but not in the middle of it, so we get the report. Perfect. Yeah, I think A. Okay.
Here's the one that's unsuppressed.
I'll be like, that sounds pretty good. You know, we'll see.
Okay, here we go. A. B.
Okay.
A. B.
A on that. So it's interesting when your eyes are covered, your other senses kind of get enhanced, and I'm kind of visualizing the waveform, like the uncorking pressure just sounds pretty good on A.
Okay. Round 3. A.
Not A.
B.
B. But let's do it again.
A. B.
Close. B.
B?
Yep.
Still B?
Yeah, A had a bit more out the muzzle. I feel a little bit like a Bene Gesserit priestess in Dune, like, the weirding ways. I don't know. Got to put my hand in the Gom Jabbar next.
Here we go, stand by. A. B.
Okay, A a little better than B. Like to hear it again?
A. B.
Close, to be honest. So I'll just go with A. That was my first reaction.
Okay. A. B. A. B.
So these, the report of these is pretty close. I think B is just a little bit lower, a little bit of a more of a shallow slope. So B.
Okay, B it is.
Have I just been picking the same can the entire time, or have we switched up a few times?
Oh, we've swapped out.
Okay.
A. B.
A, definitely.
A definitely?
Yeah. I'll hear it again, but.
Okay, here we go. A. B.
Yeah, not B.
Not B?
Not B. It's real sharp. It feels like almost like a screwdriver shape, like up and then flat and then down. I mean, this is just how I'm seeing it in my head, not what the actual waveforms are, right? Like they have machines for that.
All right, we shall begin. We'll continue. A. B.
You have to hear them again.
A. B.
It's A.
Definitely A?
A, yep. I feel like I'm dressing up like a Ninja Turtle, like when I was a kid. All right. All right. Which one?
Last man standing is the B&T.
All
which
right.
is interesting because this was on deck for a long time during Luke's test. Mm-hmm. So I think there's probably something there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for sure. So, I mean, yeah, so when I was listening to it, like, you know, the initial uncorking is going to be loud with any of these, but then it tapered off pretty quickly. And it's like it dispersed very quickly. So what was the one that I didn't like right away?
I'd have to review the footage on that one.
Oh, I guess we'll have to. You know what? To be safe, I'll just say the same.
$26.03, $26.11, $26.68. Five-shot speed test with the B&T. Stands for beautiful titanium. $27.57, $26.38, $26.56, $27.32, $27.37 for a five-shot average of $27.04.
Bees and Tigers, B&T, 3D printed titanium. What are you thinking, boss?
I'm thinking a lot of sparks.
A lot of sparks. That is my prediction too. Let's see if it makes it. All right, first magazine, 1 shot a second. Second magazine, 2 shots a second. Third magazine, 1 shot a second. Fifth magazine, 3 to 5 round bursts. I'm sorry, fourth magazine, 3 to 5 round bursts. Fifth magazine, 1 shot a second. Sixth magazine, 2 shots a second. Seventh magazine, 1 shot a second. Yep. Last mag, full 30, send it.
Look at that.
Hot damn.
I did not think a titanium can like that would survive. However, I'm pleasantly surprised.
You can see the baffle arrangement, the construction inside that can.
Yeah, it's like looking at an X-ray.
Yeah, like Superman for just a couple of minutes. Starting at the second magazine, I was seeing some sparks go, but I didn't see anything crazy. Nothing, far less than I was expecting. And hell, man, a full SOCOM table too? All right.
Yeah, I'll take it.
I think we all expected, right? The brand's going to do well. We knew that. I think
they've got such a long history in manufacturing cans in Europe that when they started making them over here, all of that technology came over.
Yep. But I think, is it safe if I say that it still surprised us as to how well it performed? Yeah. I mean, not only is it the lightest can, 3D printed titanium, just everything about it impressed us. And then after the table 2, you take off the base plate and looked in there, like she stood up like a champ.
So I got to say, titanium silencer, like everything will get eaten on the end of a full auto short 5.56. We did it in hard mode. We said it the whole time. But when we looked at this, the erosion off this titanium was so minimal. Fantastic. Great can.
Yep, you couldn't really notice it at all. If you ignore the coloration, the discoloration caused by heat, take that end cap off and look inside and you think, looks kind of new. That's because all the carbon's been blasted off by high pressure gases and plasma coming off the barrel. But the first baffle, you told me that was new, I'd say, yeah, okay.
You know, would I put it on a belt fed? I mean, like, no, but let's be real. I mean, if you have a belt fed and a B&T, you can afford like a can made for a belt fed, right? So like,
I'm pretty sure they make cans for belt feds. That's not it though.
But this is not it. I mean, but like putting this on a short rifle, light off the end, I just performed really well.
Yeah, well, it was a bit disappointing because you promised me that at the end of the full auto 30 round mag dump, she was going to be on fire and spitting sparks. It didn't happen.
Yeah,
it didn't happen.
There were some sparks, but just nowhere close to what I expected. I'm totally blown away by this silencer. I think it's fantastic.
Mm-hmm. The only downside to it is, of course, is B&T. Swiss company, Swiss prices, and I think it's like $1,400?
Yeah, it was like 13 something, yeah.
13 and change, yeah, okay. So you can probably get 2 or 3 cans made in the US for that. Well, this one is made in the US. You get 2 or 3 cans of a different construction to put on different rifles for the price of one B&T. However, is this a serious value proposition for somebody with the money to throw at it? Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I mean, it's not a budget can. It is not for someone for budget considerations. And, you know, and man, these are going to last a long, long time. I can't wait to see these like old in a few years.
Yeah. One to rule them all and to rule them all for a long, long time. I mean, that's a serious contender.
Yeah.
I mean, I never thought I would say that about titanium. No shit. I really didn't think I would be this impressed by titanium silencer. So I'm pretty beside myself here. I'm going to have to rethink life choices and things like that. So.